Oh, pop, pop. Yeah, my people, I want moneyras again, you know. And I want you to check out that movie, brand new. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, man, the work continue. I'm not stop. We're there. We put in the work. We put in the work. Yeah, man, and you see the one them we are going do. Yeah, man, I know I like it. So just continue, support the channel. Like, share, subscribe. Here, tell a friend to tell a friend. You see me? Yeah, man, the movie still. Yeah, man, the one your name, your brother, strength. You don't know when you lean for your brother and all these things, you see me? And he might give you the strength. Some people say nothing wrong with it. Some people have a problem with it, so you see me? Check out that movie, let me know what I go on, people. What is on my nose? I'm out.
Don't call my phone if you're not money. Don't waste me time if you're not money. Don't call me phone and tell me about nobody. A tile is all about the money. Don't call me phone if you're not money. Don't waste me time if you're not money. Don't call me phone and tell me about nobody. A tile is all about the money. Time is money and money is time. So oh some boy I waste them time. Sit down pan corner, scream cream lime. Money man a program every year, every time. Tell the little chatterbox them fi stop chat. Stop blow up my phone like it a Snapchat. Money man a program, that's what.
Quang, quang, quang. You don't know what's that? You tell me something now. You better, Rasta youth that they are on this name, moneyras.
Yeah, man.
They do moneyras TV business.
Yeah, man.
Oh, slot. Ask the God about me.
I like a business.
Ask the God about cat. Ask the God about cat. In a real life. I will make them out to meet Lawas and then set things them on. In a real life, man. That's why I come here so I go. From night till day.
That me see, you know, cause you come as a still you're compatible, you know.
Right.
See? Cause when me there and see you, I say, yeah. You tell me to make it compatible, cause some me see my brother making compatible and things, you see me?
Right. That's why you see me come here, so when you see me and my brother, you God make it thing tough, so you need to reason with the money, we tell you more, you see?
I mean, man.
Yeah, man, run everything, man. Cause once you come, say, you know, adapt, you know. You see? Good look for daddy, man. I don't believe.
That one DJ stop by your back there.
You know, so if you tell you the truth, I want to lick up water, raise money, and the dog give me a makeup because do so much, see.
That means no, you right here.
No, man, things are go good. You can't come between me and the dog still. Between me and me, I tell you something what go on. You willing, you know?
You willing?
Right. Right.
Alright.
So, me not tell you.
I say now,
But not true, me and you not reason.
And I uplift inside my uplift everything. I find my uplift everything. Well, that one.
Right. See your lighter drop there. Is it? And me I tell you, me just go and chop out the road still understand, me, you know?
We have one thing saying everything too much on my ride, you know, let's see what I go on.
Yo, I run drive bike, man, and helmet, man.
Yeah, that's true.
I understand.
But we don't compete in you and them still.
No competition no there, I think, you know.
No competition.
In a real life, me I tell my father, man, in a real life, man. Work and believe, man, cause here what happen now. So when you come down to the dog setting, dog, step on a level, but watch out. He willing to push out, but he's a man with meds, you know them type of way? So me just keep the game going and show him say, yo, a loyalty. Watch out, me pay off the dog already murder. You see, between me and you, pay off the dog already.
That means the dog will be poor there.
Right.
Yeah, man, the dog up to there.
Right.
When I see him, no time say, yo, no capping now, and we ain't not drinking. You might say, I make the thing get more bigger and larger and get higher. Isn't it?
Right. That's why thing come down, man, you know. So me always prepare and put myself in a position, you know. And me tell us, put yourself in a spot or position to reach. Then say, oh, I'm good, you know, as a run, you know. So from you have part of something and somebody willing, you just do the right thing and make it happen, you see me? And you know, say tonight, me dey on one mission, my father. Mission, huh? I'll make it 2 minutes tell her,
Yeah.
KGG. Roll that down, man. You know what I'm going to do half man. I'm going to take a link down and some circle. Soon forward, man. Right? That's great. It's here, that. Love alone, my father, man. Bang. Outside.
A country boy, must not come from here, you know. But I know you know what say my brother and savior. I'm on the
Outside.
A country boy, must not come from here, you know. But I know you know what say my brother and savior. I'm on the ras. I throw money a foundation now, you. How are you? I throw money a foundation. You come from here, you know. Are your brother and savior, you know? How are you? Are your brother and savior? How long no money ras there? Alright, what is the money ras there, you know? Who don't know the history? You know the history? Money ras there right over there to all this stuff. A money ras thing. I'm the thing as well. Yeah. Over there, so.
Big boy, boy.
Yeah, so here, so now, I the black. In a country, boy. You know, you come from here, you know.
A big boy. What's it?
What this? Weird. Weird. What this? Black. Money ras place. Money ras place is 400 place, black.
Boy.
400 champions, man. One money.
Punch a big
Never two.
One go sit down.
One money ras.
One go sit down.
One money ras.
One go sit down.
One money ras.
Right. Remember
What this?
I go and run my business there.
One money ras place, man. 400 champions.
Give your short fall, man, on top.
Right, what is a money ras there? You go by yourself. If you know the street, you not gonna know the street.
No man, you have to get
You have foundations to know the street. One money ras. The weird. Yeah, man, one money ras, man. You live, man.
And bring good door.
Yo. Are your brother see you know? I'm here to the street for a black. You not come from here, black. You not come from here, you know. You not come from here. Are your brother strength? I'm money ras. I'm money ras. When me come and say more like just give me it. So I'm money ras. No, I'm here for a long time. When me come here, I say you're rare, you're me say money ras.
The money ras are over.
Yeah. Yeah. Are your brother see you? You know that long time. Are your brother see you?
One that one. Yeah, man. Now move it. Oh, yeah, man. We are moving so short, man. Wait, everyone, wait. Let me tell you, yeah, bad people. Alright. It's alright.
One money
you
ras.
are wicked man, Thomas.
Weird. I'm money ras bring you in the street and make you know you. I'm money ras make you know you. I'm money ras make you know you. So when me come here, say brother, me don't give me no hard time. Me say blacks, give me a rum. Give me a rum, black. Give me a rum. You can't be able to sat there. You can't be sat there. If you check money, I give me enough. If you check money, I give me.
We don't trust dog. Just I know I sell myself.
But members, you see me every night, that's why I come and say that.
No man, a good stuff of the man.
No, but members of our foundation are money rat place. Yes, so we pop. Money rat places. Yes, so we pop. So money rats bring up come back now. We have to rate here. We have to rate here.
Money rat show now.
Yeah, but we have to rate because money rats make me know you. If I have money rats, me wouldn't know you. If I have money rats, me wouldn't know you, brother. No, by post now, I come and see you. I come see you, I come and say, yeah, I rate you. Money rats place. That's why I rate you. Money rats place.
Yeah, I bet you, man. That's easy.
Life blacks, man. Yeah,
I bet you.
I'm respect your brother too.
What's that?
Sir, me love my brother for you.
Yeah, sir.
I want to see my money rat live. I want to say one leg.
Yeah, man, the one leg.
One leg.
Understand, come in the money here, sir.
Blacks, boy, you see me every night, blacks.
Yeah, man, what?
What me have bread?
Yeah, we are betting, but.
You support me water, your money rat, you know. Support me water, you know. I want to support me water, you know, brother. Yo, you know, you know, you know, water.
From a handful or something. It's like a handful. One big shop, yeah.
But yeah, me I say, I want money still. One black said it. Yeah, man. Me like for your money rack live still. Yeah, money rack. I run this by night every night. I put my machine split night with. I'm love want to live on the quarry.
So it came to come and
but I want money still.
I really money.
Yeah, in second trend. One money, man. Yeah.
Yo, I go blacks. Boom, clock. What I go on, dog? Everything up. Yeah,
Yo, what I go on money rock?
Boy, you know, so boy, a good one now, in left on the table. You know, too long left on the table, you know.
Why every time they come over, I'm not there, dog?
You know, so much I done there on the road. I'm alone, man. I'm happy to pull out to the road.
Tell them something about, man. Tell them to Jerry the about.
Alright.
You hear me?
Yeah, man. Big up, man. Big up, big up. Yeah, man.
Bum bang, blacker.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, just a come off by too, you know?
Yeah,
Yeah, so I go and sing good.
yeah, I'm going out, man.
Yeah, yeah, man, I go and. How things?
Well, you know, could have better, you know, but still there, I think.
Still not to give thanks, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Whatever I come round, you understand?
What's the man?
Yeah, go more inside there, so you have to give thanks.
So, we just have forward.
Yeah, you see what I go on, you know, so every night something. You know, at my time, you have to cut and.
Brother, a good boy, man. So,
But are you brother too, so you can't live off of it?
yeah, man, I'm a brother, that, man. So, good when you live off all your brother things, you know.
One and what the other, you understand?
Of course. You better good
It depends on how you angle the thing, you understand?
Yeah, I'm a good,
I don't say old skirt a view on a different levels.
Yeah, man, I'm
Yeah,
good,
yeah,
so you don't know, you know, very good.
And if you talk
Yeah,
things where I really
Very good,
like
you know.
that.
And you work out somebody who are good like your brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, begin to talk.
You
That's
understand?
me. Yeah, man.
Yeah, you say.
A goodness to my brother, man. Oh, yeah, man.
No listen them talk there, call them talk there. You understand?
Yeah, man.
It can work. You understand?
I bet you live off your brother, man. Go eat some.
Yeah, man, you're going to be a problem on your
Yeah.
brother. Go shame on you and then you understand? And all the things are don't grade yourself and. Yeah, man. Money I go to you, you know that?
You know that, man.
You see, concrete, you know, grill up.
Yeah, I don't know if I hear it, you know what I do.
Yeah, man, a long time we have come now.
Yes, you know what I mean.
You can't wrong with it.
I mean, just come go boom bang side and let me say.
No follow them violence, them gimmicks, you understand? Just go on. Go on, let's see away. Half of it. In time he come on, that pressure, I will tell you.
Yeah, man.
Me not have to know.
True, man.
You understand?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
I mean, you think it happen, yeah? Let me say, again, money a good man.
I know that, man.
Take care right, man, take care right.
Yeah, man, of course.
Just like that.
Of course.
I want for people that like it. When I see it. I live off of people thing. You understand? But are your brother thing? I mean, no man. I'm only a good man if you never like what you're doing here. Angry thing and you understand? You will be around, don't you?
True, man.
You are somewhere.
But right now,
You understand?
when I live off this man thing, my brother thing, and people vex about you, for them business that.
You know,
When I know some boy may do the right thing.
Yeah.
That's the right thing more if you do, you know, I not do the wrong thing. That's
So
what
the
I'm saying.
monks are a brother,
Yeah,
our
the right
friend,
thing, the best thing,
and
yeah.
achieve our fine. You understand? Nothing wrong with that. As long as you know.
We're not the right thing, black. Come forward, come link me, take the one that run for trust and a shape in here, tell me say you don't trust.
No,
Oh, you feel not trust,
I
brother?
don't trust, bro.
Oh, you mean you not trust some? So me no buy rum one item.
No,
Me
sir.
no buy cigarette.
When you're
Me no
ready.
buy nothing.
When you're ready, boy. You ever go on
No, me
now?
buy a while ago.
You ever go on now? Good as suffer for you better now.
Oh, so to your center where they come from, you have popcorn and fire now.
No, we good
Cause
as
you must
suffer
think
for
about
you
good
better.
stuff of your body now and you tell me say you suffer for your body.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you are center was man. Oh,
I need popcorn. So me know what I'm saying. I remember I be a popcorn meat, you know. So me know that.
Yeah, man.
You ever know? I don't know, you know. You don't know me. I come up for the juggling.
Yeah.
And I want to get some rest. I don't know me. I have to go tomorrow again.
what you there?
You know what I'm saying?
Well, link up.
But yeah, but as me I say, don't penetrate the niggas them. You understand? Like that.
Yeah, man,
Just
niggas,
go and angle your band the same way.
they penetrate me.
Yeah. You understand? No penetrate them, yeah? You understand?
That's how I think fix, man.
Cause moneyras, as we say, is a genuine man, good man.
Yeah, man, a general.
And him make the thing a go on.
Yeah, man, brother,
Yeah?
general, man.
You understand? So those,
Yeah, man.
a blessed love.
Yeah, man, bless up.
And we catch up here, sir.
Yeah, man, look up,
Boom
man.
bang, yeah?
Yeah, man, big up yourself, brother. Yeah, man.
Yes, people. Just watch the movie. I know wanna like it. Good concept. Yeah, man, just continue support the channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, you know? One Moneyras TV. It only spell one spell, no space. Moneyras TV. Look out for the next one, people. Good storyline. May I put in the work, may I put in the work. That's why I wanna haven't seen me for a while. But now I'm back with brand new content, people. Support the channel. Like, share, subscribe continually. Tell a friend to tell a friend. One Moneyras. What is our number noise? I'm out!